Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn an interesting project IoT with IFTTT. In this project we will set up ESP board to send email with temperature and humidity reading. To get temperature and humidity we use DHT11 sensor module, and to send notification we use a third party service IFTTT. IFTTT stands for if this then and that. It is free web based service to create chains of simple conditional statement called applets. This means you can trigger an event when something happened. Let us see. Please make sure have you subscribed my channel or not, and don't forget to press bell icon. Here I have created circuit diagram. Signal pin is connected on GPIO 4, and for ESP8266 here signal pin is connected on GPIO 0 or D3. So we will first set up IFTTT account. Then I will open browser. Here I will type IFTTT. I will open this. First I will sign in. I will sign in with my Google account. Now we will create a applet. So create. Okay, this is full form of IFTTT. If this then that. So first we will click on this. We will search webhooks. Okay, here we have to create an event name. So DHT11, this will be my event name. Okay, then click on that, and here email. Okay, click on here event name. Okay, we have two value, not three value, so I will delete this. Okay, and create action. This is my email ID, which is registered email ID of IFTTT. I will get humidity and temperature notification on this mail. I will click on finish. Now we want to test, so I will click on webhooks. Okay, documentation. This is my API key, and here we have to type event name is DHT11. Here we have to write any value, 10.11, here 30, and test it. Event has been triggered. So I will open my email. Wow, mail has been received. I will open. Yeah, you can see data 10.11 and 30. Here we will a little change. I will type here TEMPERA, temperature. Temperature is this. Degree Celsius, and this is humidity. Humidity is after that percent. Okay, and save. Now I will close this and we will go to MuPyCraft IDE. I have already created here code, pin library, DHT11 library, network library, request library. I think you are familiar this. This is my SSID and password. Here we have to type API code. So I will copy here API code and I will paste. Okay. Here Wi-Fi station. ESP has been connected to Wi-Fi network by using SSID and password. And here I am using DHT11 and GPIF4. That is correct. Here temperature and humidity variable. It will store temperature and humidity. And here sensor readings. Sensor readings this. I will type here. Event name is DHT11. Okay. Here our board send request to send the data. Now I will save and check board connection, COM port 3 and board ESP32. Okay, I will run. Here you can see temperature is 29 degrees Celsius and humidity is 86%. Here is also value 2 is 86 and value 1 is 29. Congratulations, you have fired the DHT11 event. I will open my mail. I will reload again. Here you can see temperature is 29 degrees Celsius and humidity is 86%. So I hope you understood this. So please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.